Know your roots. Pow! This week is about the Pacific Island's favorite creature in the whole world of the animal kingdom, mosquitoes. Now, I know Samoans are probably the ones with the most probs of them because they're the only ones that came up with the dance all about it. But did you ever wonder why only the Usos do the dance? I know you have. So, let's fly back across the Pacific Ocean, turning straight into the Micronesian region, indicating west but going east to the Marianas and back up to Guam. Yes. Anyway, a man had met the most beautiful woman in Guam. Their names were lost in transformation of translation, so we'll just call them Eddie and Bells. Now, Bells, being the daughter of a chief, was very spoilt and whined about everything.
My hair is too bushy. This coconut cream is too sour. Daddy, I want the golden goose and I want it now.
But Eddie was not care about her whining because she was hot. So they ended up getting married and suddenly boom, bang, kaboop. Bells was deaf. Not deaf as in not here, but deaf as in dead, no live no more. Eddie was makawa gutted because his fatu had become a fa. It was broken. He took her body on a raft and paddled out across the ocean. Paddle, chant, and praying for the gods of the ocean to heal his pain. Suddenly, because gods are drama like that, one of them, Tautaumona, turned into a bird, flew towards him with a twig, and stabbed his finger. The bird said,
"Hold out your hand and let the blood drip over your body."
Birds have funny voices, I know. Suddenly, Bells awoke from her rest, and like Mufasa, she was alive! Tautaumona said, "My power is strong on the sea, but weak on the land. To remain human, you must remain on the raft with the ocean surrounding you." Bells and Eddie were like, "Sweet, oh good." But it wasn't so sweet for that long before Bells started to whine again.
The water is too salty, the fish is too fishy, and I want fruit now.
So Eddie swam back to shore and returned with the fruits. As he looked up, he saw another man standing with Bells on the raft. This girl was already on to the next. Damn, what a smooth operator. Eddie quickly swam to the raft, and without hesitation, he was killed them both. Belle's body fell into the sea and her body flowed into the ocean. The blood formed into lumps, turned into mosquitoes, and filled the air. To this day, mosquitoes fly madly from man to man, searching for the secret to turn them into humans.
Whine, whine, whine.
The mosquito whispers in your ears, "Give me blood, I need your blood." That's like a Twilight mosquito. Slap it again, it's gone in your mouth.